In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio into Suno AI. We'll start in your web browser. In the search bar, type Suno AI, then open the official result labeled Suno AI Music Generator. On the home page, look for the option to sign in. If you're new to Suno, choose Sign Up, otherwise sign in. Next, pick the Google option to authenticate. Select the Google account you want to use and proceed. You won't need to type anything else here. Once you're in, head to your library. You'll find it in the main navigation either at the top or on the left, depending on your layout. This is where Suno keeps the content tied to your account. Inside the library, switch to the audio section so we can add a file. You may see it alongside areas like songs or projects. Audio is the place for your uploaded clips. Now click Upload. A file picker will pop up. Choose the audio you want to bring into Suno. Common formats like WAV or MP3 typically work well, and you can often drag and drop as an alternative if that's more convenient. If you're preparing files ahead of time, keeping them clearly named and trimmed to the part you actually need will make this step faster. After selecting your file, you'll see it appear ready to save. Take a second to confirm you chose the correct version. If there's a field for a title or notes, add something descriptive so you can find it later among other uploads. Clear, consistent naming saves time when your library grows. When everything looks good, click Save. If your audio runs longer than what your current plan supports, Suno will let you know that an upgrade is required for longer clips. That's expected behavior. You can either use a shorter segment or decide to upgrade. Totally up to you and your project needs. When you're ready to proceed, click. Continue to confirm and wrap up the upload. Suno may briefly process or transcode the file. That's normal and depends on length and size. You should now see your file listed in the audio section of your library. From here, it's available to reference in your creative workflow. If anything doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to finish processing and refresh the page. For the smoothest results, use a stable internet connection, keep your files organized with descriptive names, and work with well-edited clips that focus on what you actually plan to use. Also, always make sure you have the right to upload any material you include in your projects. That's it, your audio is uploaded into Suno AI and ready to go.